All right, y'all, this is the sum of two numbers. First thing we need to do is have the include statement, and we need to include the IO stream. We need to include, we need to use the namespace called std. And then, of course, we start with our int main function. Here we need to declare a few integers and initialize them. So one is going to be called number 1, and it's going to be set equal to the number 50. It's going to be set equal to the number 70. And then number 2 is going to be set equal to the number 120. And then there's going to be another variable called total, and these are all integer variables. This one's called total. It's going to be set equal to number 1 plus number 2, just like that. I need to make sure to put the comma right there. Okay. And then from here, I need to output some information to the user. So I'm going to first output a line break. Actually, let me just do it like this. Put a new line space. And then I'm going to say number 1. I'm just going to say total equals. And then put the actual variable within that cout statement. Put a line break. Come down here, put another line break. And that should be the end of the program. And at the end of the program, I can't forget to put the return 0 statement, which terminates the program within the terminal. Okay, so once I'm here, next thing I do is open up a new terminal, open integrated terminal, and make sure that I'm in the file directory that the file is in. So I'll just hit ls, and there's the file right there that I'm looking for, so I'm in the right directory. Okay, the reason why I'm opening the terminal is because I want to run the program. So in order to run the program in the terminal without using an IDE that where you have a play button, you can actually run it in the terminal like this. So just do, you can say C++, and then the file name, which in this case is 000 123 cpp .cpp. Hit enter, and that's going to compile the program. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, sometimes it takes milliseconds. Okay, so at this point, if there's any errors, you'll see the errors on the screen. So there's no errors, so I'm going to run the program. So I say /a.out, and that's going to run the program. So there it is, total equals 190.